Employee Field and Fitness Day is an annual event. We've been sponsoring Employee Field and Fitness Day through the Benefits Division within the Department of Human Resources for about 10 years. They are offering ways for employees to stay well and showcasing the benefits that are available as part of being a county employee. The event involves about 27 vendor partners, and that is a combination of internal partners as well as external partners through the Benefits Division within Human Resources. So we have a variety of activities, something for everybody, we hope. Everything from an obstacle course and fitness activities to a Zen zone where they can learn how to meditate and they can learn about gardening and ways to de-stress. We also have information about volunteering within Fairfax County to serve the residents of the county through the Department of Family Services, the animal shelter, and the health department. We are very excited today to have adoptable dogs here. Fairfax County employees receive one free waived adoption per year at the Fairfax County Animal Shelter, which is a benefit debuting today. We also have service dogs here from the Department of Family Services and the K-9 team from the police department. We're always interested in becoming an employer of choice and retaining the best and brightest within the Fairfax County government employee population. And we hope that this is a great benefit. It provides opportunities for employees to get to know each other and to socialize and de-stress. It provides opportunities for them to learn about other agencies and the work that they do to support the community and ways that they can be involved. And it provides opportunities to learn about their benefits, which is a great aspect of being a Fairfax County government employee. All Fairfax County government employees are welcome to attend Employee Field and Fitness Day. They can sign up through EmployeeU. We also have biometric screenings going on and injury assessments, and that has a separate registration process. But EmployeeU, the county's training system, is the way to get connected if employees are interested in participating next year.